This video will show you how to request Hik Connect for Teams trial services on Hik Connect app. Download and open the Hik Connect app. Choose Login or Register. Tap on Register. Read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Select your region and tap on the check mark. Enter your email address and set a login password, and then click Get Security Code. Enter the security code shown in the image and click the check mark on the top right corner. A security code will be sent to your email. Go to your mailbox and copy the security code. Return to the Hik Connect app, enter the security code, and tap Finish. Your Hik Connect account for personal use is successfully created. Log in to your newly created Hik Connect account. Tap on Service. Swipe down and tap Create Team for more functions. Select Create Team. Enter the team name, select the time zone and scene type, then click Next. Now you can activate services. Begin using some services for free. If you want to try others or access advanced features by purchasing plans, you'll need to contact a service provider to link your account with his or hers by providing their email address. Read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then tap Create Team. Your Hik Connect account for team use is created successfully. If your Hik Connect account supports both personal and team mode, you can easily switch between two modes by tapping the icon on the top left corner of the screen. Hik Connect, connected security, ready to go.